Hello. Welcome everyone for the another exciting video with the powerful on-demand newly launched product SurvAI. Today we are not going to show how it works or demo for that, because there are already hours of videos are posted in the official pages. If you want, check it out in the link description. Today we are going to see why this product and how it will better that market's best product and survey generation products like SurveyMonkey, SoGo Survey, Survet Gizmo and LimeSurvey. And the best thing is this software is only one-time payment, not to pay for monthly charges. That sounds interesting. Let's dive into the video to explore more about this software. This is the sales page of this product. Let's see what they provides better than other products like SurveyMonkey. Here author starts with the easiest method for generating leads and converting strangers into repeat customers. Turn 2 simple keywords into a full-fledged lead generation machine. All the questions are generated by AI. Based on responses, you personalize offers. And here the thing we get inside this product. We get using a sophisticated capture leads with AI. With only one click, you can share surveys with the personalized URL anywhere. Automated, using artificial intelligence, create fascinating queries. Send qualified leads to offers depending on their responses. DFY templates, get started right away with ready-to-use survey templates. There are no downloads or installations required. Passwords and IP-level security provide strong security. Make money by providing this as a service with a free commercial license. So these are the case studies. Look it out. Check out some of these small businesses that made IT big using surveys. Here they shares the survey results from SurveyMonkey. 91% of people believe that companies should fuel innovation by listening to buyers and customers, compared to only 31% who think they should hire a team of experts. SurveyMonkey, 2019. And now here are the 3 simple steps they describe to create simple survey using artificial intelligence. Step 1, enter the keyword. Step 2, select questions. Step 3, publish and profit just with 3 simple steps. And here's some screenshots. And for more leads, more sales and for more impact, we need only one. That is survey about particular niche, or the particular buyers or customers we are targeting in. And here this offers 2-way. 1. You can hear what marketing guru says to advertise your products blindfoldedly, and waste money on the marketing without laser-focused targeting or without knowing what your customers or buyers need. 2. With surveys. You promise a specific solution based on your ideal customer's unique needs and circumstance, level of experience and desire. With personalized premise. Because survey helps to unfold all the likes and desires of your customers. So choice is yours. Now what are the mistakes people or marketers make while using this survey? Mistake 1. They don't know the personalized questions to ask. Mistake 2. They don't ask specific, or they ask more questions to confuse their customers, like 10 to 20 questions. Mistake 3. They don't know how to use and where to get most of answer survey into their product. So now just imagine you have an app which creates easy and personalized survey without guesswork, technical obstacles, or needing 2 websites. That's where they proudly presented this AI-based survey creator with 3 simple steps. And this is the screenshots of the product with various niche: gaming, crypto, travel, financial services, affiliate marketing, fitness and health, and much more. And also we can create 10 different types of questions, like multiple choices, short answers, and all this you're watching now. And moreover, we can have create survey from this product and sell to our customers or buyers with 100% profit. That sound interesting. And now let's get know how much this freelancers are charges simply for creating surveys. $5,000. Oh God. $650. And look at it. And finally, the big question is why product is perfect for digital marketers, coaches, website owners, entrepreneurs, work from home individuals and more of. Better than most survey creating platforms like SurveyMonkey, SoGo Survey, Survet Gizmo. Here you can see what are the differences it can delivers. And more importantly, the price. Look at it, that's just one-time payment, and now you also get rewarded for your fast action for today. You get 3 bonuses absolutely free with this software. Bonus 1. How to make a 6 figures with surveys using this product. Bonus 2. Sales graphics rush. Bonus 3. Email survey funnel. And sounds interesting. And you can also get 100% risk-free purchases. If you are not satisfied with the purchase, you can avail a 100% money-back guarantee. If you have checked any of these boxes, you can be confident that SurvAI is perfect for you. Don't waste another moment. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from Panda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the Panda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I think all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any questions or doubts about this product, comment down below. Thank you. Keep safe. Bye until next time.